Okay, Nancy's psychology teacher will give her a course grade that is maximum of her scores on 3 midterm exams. Nancy has convex preferences over the possible combination of midterm scores. Okay, so convex preferences basically imply that if you are indifferent between any 2 points, the midpoint of these 2 points need to be strictly preferred. Okay, so let's consider 2 points. Okay, let's consider 2 points. Let's say her midterm scores in midterm 1, midterm 2 and midterm 3 are. So what is her teacher doing? Her teacher is giving the maximum of the 3 scores. Okay, so let's say M1, M2, M3 for Nancy are 5, 7, 9 and uh, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so in this case her final score would be 9. In this case also her final score would be 9. Okay, but what about average? So the average of these two vectors, I am taking the average of these two vectors. The average of these two vectors will be 5 and 6 ka average is 5.5, 7 and 8 ka average is 7.5, 9 and 9 ka average is 9. So even in this case she will be getting 9. Okay, so taking averages need not also always make this bundle strictly prefer to these two bundles. Okay, so if these two were scenarios A and B and this would be scenario C, so yes, she is indifferent between A and B, but she is not better off at C. She is also indifferent on C. Okay, so that's why in this situation the preferences are not convex. So why did they give you such an example? So the idea is that this is basically your perfect this is basically a max function. Okay, this is basically your max function. Let's take a slightly rigorous example rather than this. Let's go for a situation like case A is 0, 0, 9. So this is a very obvious kind of a case. Let's take a case where okay, so A is 0, 0, 9, B is 9, 0, 0. Okay, so in this situation her payoff is 9, she gets a final score of 9. In this situation also she gets 9. But what if she goes for the median the mean bundle? So the average of these two bundles, so that would be 4.5, 0, 4.5, in which case she will get a payoff of just 4.5. Okay, so in this case the median is strictly less preferred. Okay, so A and B are indifferent, but C is strictly less preferred to A and B. Okay, so remember we plotted the ICs of max function. Okay, so the ICs of max function, suppose your utility function is max of x comma y, then the ICs used to look like this, right? So these were the shape of the ICs. Okay, so if you take any two bundles like this, suppose this is your bundle A and this is your bundle B, then the median bundle or any bundle here would be on a lower indifference curve like this. It would be on a lower indifference curve. Okay, so for the max case, the preferences are not convex. The intermediary bundles will be less preferred to the extreme ends of bundles. Okay, so in this case the agent does not prefer averages. So agent does not prefer averages.